Lere Olayinka, media aide to Wike, Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, has asked Ruben Abati to resign his role as television host and take up the position of spokesperson to Amaechi. Speaking on the morning show on a Rice television breakfast program on Friday, Olayinka faulted Abati for a statement against Wike. During an event organized to mark the 60th birthday of Amaechi, former Minister of Transportation and ex-Rivers Governor, Amaechi said, like millions of Nigerians, he is hungry. During a media chat on Monday, Wike took a swipe at Amaechi over the hunger remark, dismissing it as politically motivated. The FCT minister said Amaechi couldn't have been hungry for food after 20 years in several political positions. Lere Olayinka said Abati should focus on his spokesperson job in response to Abati's statement that FCT minister is being disrespectful and rude on Friday.
Let me come from a dramaturgical point of view. When we teach students dramaturgy, we talk about flaw of character as a major trope in tragic stories. It's called either amasia or hubris. I think what we're dealing with regard to Nyesom Wike is hubris. Hubris, which relates to his own character. Now, let me start with Rotimi Amaechi. He says Rotimi Amaechi is hungry for power. He could not deliver 10% for Atiku in the 2023 election. He could not address hunger while he was a minister or while he was a governor. Now, there's a basic principle in human relationships about your relationship with your bosses. I think that Nyesom Wike is very rude, disrespectful.
Olayinka commended the management of Rice television over the claim that Abati was asked to excuse himself from today's program. The media aide accused Abati of unprofessionalism by taking sides with Amaechi against the FCT minister.
First and foremost, I want to commend the management, especially the chairman of Rice News. That's one of the leading lights in journalism profession in this country. The Prince Duke. I want to commend him. I want to commend him for today because I can see that Mr. Ruben Abati is not here because I was not expecting him to be here because he took position of a special assistant on media to Rotimi Amaechi. He took position of spokesperson to Rotimi Amaechi. So I was thinking that to be professional, to operate normally, Ruben Abati will not be among those who will sit in the studio to interview me. I said that it will be on this side of the discussion this morning. So why I will be talking in defense or in support of the FCT minister Wike, he will also be talking in support and in defense of Rotimi Amaechi like he has been doing. And I said that probably he has been appointed as a special assistant on media to Amaechi because I watched him like 3 or 4 days ago here saying that talking like the minister is rude, is this, and using unprintable words that I was not expecting to hear from somebody who has functioned as editorial chairman of Guardian newspapers. For somebody like that to come to studio and begin to call a minister rude in defense of Rotimi Amaechi, because he was supposed to, in journalism, we are not supposed to have opinion. So I was shocked to hear him turning himself to spokesperson of Amaechi. And I want to also suggest that since he's now Amaechi's spokesperson, he should excuse himself from Arise TV and go and do his job properly. He should not be using a platform provided by respected Nigerians like Oga Nduka Obaigbena to ventilate his anger, his frustration, and his hatred for Wike.
Hussaini said Abati had called in sick. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Please share your thoughts in the comment box section below and keep watching Naija News TV.